Om Namah Shivaya. Hi friends, how are you? In this video, we are going to learn about the enzymes involved in biological oxidation. Enzymes involved in biological oxidation. All the enzymes participating in biological oxidation belonging to the class oxidoreductases. These are further grouped into four categories, and the four categories are oxidases, dehydrogenases, hydroperoxidases, oxygenases. Okay. First, oxidases. Oxidases. These enzymes catalyze the elimination of hydrogen from the substrates, which is accepted by the oxygen to form mostly water. Cytochrome oxidase, tyrosinase, monoamine oxidase, H2O2 formed instead of H2O. Okay. In monoamine oxidase, H2O2 formed instead of H2O. Cytochrome oxidase, the terminal component of electron transport chain, transfers electrons obtained from the oxidation of substrate molecules by dehydrogenases to the final acceptor oxygen. Some flavoproteins containing FAD or FMN also belong to the category of oxidases. Example, L-amino acid oxidase, that is FMN, xanthine oxidase, FAD. Next, dehydrogenases. Okay, this is the second category. As the name indicates, these enzymes can't utilize oxygen as the hydrogen acceptor. They catalyze the reversible transfer of hydrogen from one substrate to another and thus bring about the oxidation reduction reactions. There are large number of enzymes belonging to this group. NAD plus dependent dehydrogenases, alcohol dehydrogenase, glycerol 3-phosphate dehydrogenase, NADP plus dependent dehydrogenases. Example is HMG-CoA reductase, enol reductase. FMN dependent dehydrogenases, NADH dehydrogenase. FAD dependent dehydrogenases. Example is succinate dehydrogenase, acyl-CoA dehydrogenase. Next, the cytochromes. All the cytochromes of electron transport chain being C1 and C except the terminal cytochrome oxidase, that is A plus A3, belonging to this group. See once again the cytochromes. All the cytochromes of the electron transport chain, that is BC1C, except the terminal cytochrome oxidase, that is A plus A3, belonging to this group, that is dehydrogenases. Next, hydroperoxidases. Hydroperoxidases. Hydrogen peroxide is the substrate for these enzymes. There is a constant production of H2O2 in the reactions catalyzed by the aerobic dehydrogenases. The harmful effects of H2O2 are prevented by hydroperoxidases, and the example is peroxidase and catalase. And the reaction here is peroxidase, that peroxide, that is H2O2 converted into the H2O and O2. Next, oxygenases. This group of enzymes catalyze the direct incorporation of oxygen into the substrate molecules. Dioxygenases, that is true oxygenases. These are responsible for the incorporation of both the atoms of oxygen into the substrate. Example, homogenate oxidase, L-tryptophan pyrrolase. Next, monooxygenases, mixed function oxidases. These catalyze the incorporation of one atom of oxygen, that is half O2, while the other oxygen atom is reduced to H2O. NADPH usually provides the reducing equivalents. Examples like cytochrome P50, P450 monooxygenase system of microsomes is responsible for the metabolism of many drugs like aminopyrin, morphine, aniline, okay, and biosynthesis of steroid hormones from cholesterol. The action of cytochrome P450 is depicted here. See here, RH is converted to ROH, okay, and here oxygen is converted to water, and in this reaction NADPH H plus is converted to NADP plus, okay. Here one oxygen is reduced to H2O, okay. Why we call this reduction? Because in O2 here in O2 charge of oxygen is 0, okay, because both the molecules are same. Here charge of oxygen is 0. When you come here, the charge of oxygen is here -2, okay, -2. So that means 0 to -2, we call this reduction, okay, we call that reduction. This is about the enzymes involved in biological oxidation. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.